Welcome to the course Python Programming. I am Dr. P. Govardhan, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn nested lists as a matrix, addition of two matrices, multiplication of two matrices, transpose of a matrix. Now first we will discuss nested lists. A list within another list is called nested list. When we take a list as an element in another list, then that list is also called a nested list. So for example, this example L is equal to a list. In this list contain again the list. Now this is the one list, this is another list, this is another list. Now it is called nested list. In the list, this is the zeroth element. Observe here 10, 20, 30 is the zeroth element. 1, 2, 3 is in this, it is the first element, this is the second element. In this first element is a list. Is in the list, is this the zeroth element, first element, second element. In this list, first zeroth element, first element, second element. Similarly, which is the zeroth element, which is the first element, it is the second element. Now another example, L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, it is a list. I am creating another list as a nested list. In this nested list, L1 is one of the elements. It is also called nested list. That is 1, 2, 3. L1 is a one list. It is a nested list. Now see the another example. Now this is the nested list. First element 1, 2, 3. Second element 10, 20, 30, 40. Third element A, B, C. Now I want to display the entire list, print L. Now the entire list will be displayed on the screen. Now this is the zeroth element. I want to print the first list 1, 2, 3. Now this is the L of 0. Now this is L of 1. This is L of 2. Now using this statement 1, 2, 3 will be displayed. Now this list will be displayed. This list will be displayed. Now this is the output. Now this is the another example. This is the list 1, 2, 3. This is the zeroth list, first element, second element. In the first list, this is L of 0, 0. And this is 0, 1, 0, 2. Now for this statement, L 1, 2, 3 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, this is 1, 0, 10. L of 1, 0 is 10. L of 1, 1 is 20. L of 1, 2 is 30. L of 1, 3 is 40. Similarly, this is a 2. 2 of 0 is A. 2 of 1 is B. 2 of 2 is C. 2 of 2 is C. Now this is the list. L is equal to, now again within the list, assuming 1, 2, 3, one list. In the another list 4, 5, 6. Next the another list 7, 8, 9. Now observe here, I want to know the type. Print type of L. Now I am executing this. Now it is a class list. Now the nested list is also a list data type. I want to display the entire list. Entire list will be displayed as it is. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, now this is the zeroth element. 1, 2, 3. It is the zeroth element of the list. This is the first element of the list. This is the second element of the list. Now that is L of 0. Now observe, the L of 0 is 1, 2, 3. This is the list. This list will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, L of 1. 4, 5, 6 will be displayed on the screen. 4, 5, 6 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, L of 2, 7, 8, 9 will be displayed on the screen. Next, L of 0, L of 0 is this element. Now, this is in the column, this is the row, this is the column 0, 1, 2. I want to display this element 0, 1 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, L of 1, 2 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, L of 2, 3 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, 0, L of 1, 0. L of 1, 0. This is the 4, L of 1, 0 is 4. 4 will be displayed on the screen. L of 1, 1. L of 1, 1. 5 will be displayed on the screen. Next, L of 1, 2. 6 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, 2 of 0. 2 of 0. 7 will be displayed on the screen. 2 of 1. 8 will be displayed on the screen. 2 of 2. 9 will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, now this is the list L1. L1 is equal to some string, some characters A, comma, B, comma, C, C. Now I want to create the nested list L1 as a one element. L1 as a one element. Now observe here, this is the 0th element, this is the first element, this is the second element. The second element is L1. Now the L1 contains ABC. This will be displayed on the screen. ABC will be displayed on the screen. Similarly, L of 2, 0. L of 2, 1. L of 2, 1. Now what is the output? D will be displayed on the screen. L of 2, 1. D will be displayed on the screen. I like this. So I want to print the entire list L. The entire list will be displayed on the screen. Okay. This is the one list within the list. This is another list within this main list. This is the list within the main list. It is the nested list. Next, nested list as a matrix. In Python, we can represent a matrix by using nested lists. To create a matrix with m rows and n columns, we should create a list within another list. Say for example, this is the list L. In the L, 1, 2, 3 is a one list, 4, 5, 6 is a one list. Now it represents 0th row, 0th, first row. In 0th row, first column, second column, third column. In first row, first column, second column, third column. Now this is the 2 by 3 matrix, that is 2 rows, 3 columns. Now the L represents a matrix of order 2 by 3. Now observe here, L is a list that contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Now I want to retrieve the elements of the L. I want to display first 1, 2, 3. Next 4, 5, 6 I am using the for loop. Now this is the list. L is equal to, within the list, some 10, what are the elements? Some 20, 30, 40. This is the first row. In the second row, some 12, 45, 23, 67. Now in third row, each row contains columns are same. Now some 56, 23, 43, 25. Now this is the list. Now first I want to display the first row, second row, third row. I am using the for loop. Now L for I in L print I. That is I takes the first element. That is this is the zeroth element. I takes this element. I takes this element. Now I am executing this. Observe here. Now the first row, that is this list. Second row, this list. Third row, this list will be displayed on the screen. Now this is one way of this. I am using the range for I in range. For I in range, length of, I am using the length function, length of length of L. Now L of I am using the indexing. L of I. That is the length of L is 3. That is 0, 1, 2. I takes 0. L of 0 will be displayed on the screen. The length I takes 1. The length of L of 1. This will be displayed on the screen. I takes 2. L of 2 will be displayed on the screen. This is another way of displaying these rows. Now, assuming here there are 3 rows. In the place of L, I am putting the 3 rows. The range 3 for I is equal, for I in range 3 means this list contains 3 rows. This is the 0th element, first element, second element. Now onwards, it will be displayed on the same. Next, to retrieve columns in each row, we need another for loop inside the for loop. Now, we want to retrieve the column elements, we use nested loops. Now observe here, for I in L, that is I takes this element, I takes this list, next I takes this list, next I takes this list. Now again I am using the for loop for some j in I. Now I takes this value. First in the outer for loop, I takes this value. Next for j in I. Now I is this. I is the list. In the list j takes 0, j takes 20, j takes 30, j takes 40. Now the entire column elements will be displayed on the screen. Now observe here, the entire column is 10, 20, 30, 40, 12, 45, 23, 67, 56, 23, 43, 25. Now I want to display this into a matrix form. Print j, comma, end is equal to some space after displaying the first row, the control goes to the new line. Print this. Now the entire matrix will be displayed is in the matrix form. Observe here, 3 rows, 4 columns. Now this is the way to display the nested list in a matrix form. 3 rows, 4 columns. This is one way of this. Now the another, I am using range. Range of 3 rows for j in range. For j in range. Now the 4 columns. Now the first outer for loop represents rows. Now the inner represents column. Now this element Lij is equal to n. Now I am executing this. Now the list displayed in the form of matrix. Now this is the code for displaying the matrix. The code for displaying the matrix. Now this is the to display a matrix form for rows in L, for columns in rows. Now here in the place of row I, J, N. Now this is the indexing. This is the index for I in range general 3 rows, for J in the length of I is columns. Now I am printing this using format specification. This is another way of writing the print. Percentage of B, percentage of L of Ij, comma N. How can you create a nested list? Now this is the static initialization. Now I want to initialize the matrix 3 rows, 4 columns. How can we create the matrix dynamically? Now assuming the matrix A is the dimensions of the matrix m by n, that is m rows, n columns. First I am enter the rows of the matrix integer or int of input enter m. Now this is m is the number of rows in the matrix. Similarly n is equal to int of input enter n. Now the first I am creating empty list. First I am creating the empty list. A is equal to, I am creating the empty list. First for I in range, for I in range m, the number of rows, for I in range the number of rows. Now I am creating the one inner list. L is equal to, this is the inner list. Now for j in range, for j in range n, for j in range n, first I am appending the elements into the L. I am appending the element into the L. Now I am using the append method. L dot append. I am inserting input integer value, int of input enter input. Now I am enter the value to the list L. Now after enter the first row, the first row again append to the A, that is A dot append of L. Now this list is appended to the L. Now the entire nested list will be created. Print A. Now I am executing this. enter 3 3. First 1 2 3, this is the first row. 4 5 6, this is the second row. 7 8 9, this is the third row. Now observe here, the next list is created. Now I want to display this list is in the form of the matrix. Is in the form of the matrix. Again I am using the for I in range, for I in range m, for j in range, for j in range n, print a I j comma and is equal to some space. After printing the first row, the control goes to the second. The control goes to the new line. Now I am executing this. Enter 3 rows, 4 columns. The total 3 into 4, 12 elements, 3 rows. 1 2 3. This is the first 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is the first row. 5 6 7 8. This is the second row. 9 10 11 12. Observe here. This is the next list. 1 2 3 rows, 4 columns. Now this is the 3 by 4 matrix. This is the program to read m by n matrix from the keyboard and display the same. This is the program. Next, addition of the two matrices. Now in the addition of the two matrices, both the rows and columns are both matrices are same order. Now the first add them, create a matrix A. The next step, create the matrix B, then add the matrix B, that is Aij plus Bij, an intermediate. Now after this is the M, the dimensions of the matrix A. N, both M and N, both A and B are having the same dimensions. First I am creating the matrix A, print, enter matrix A, enter matrix A, enter matrix A. For I in range M, L is equal to this. For J in range N, L dot append int of input A dot append L. Print matrix A, print matrix A is equal to, for I in range M, for J in range M. After this, print. This is the enter the first matrix. I am entered the first matrix. Similarly, I am copying the same code. Here I am creating B is equal to empty list. Enter matrix B. Now here the same M by N. B dot append L. Print matrix B. Bij. Now first I am entered the first matrix. I am entered the second matrix B. Now I am executing this. Enter 3. Both are same dimensions. So I am entered the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the matrix A. Now I want to enter the matrix B. assuming the same elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix B. The matrix A, the matrix B. Now I want to add these two matrices. The addition of the two matrices are same dimensions. Addition of the two matrices, the same dimension. First, print addition of the two matrices. Addition of capital A and capital B. Addition of two matrices, capital A and capital B. Now, first for loop. For I in range, for I in range M, for J in range, for J in range N. Now I want to print the sum. Print the sum is Aij plus Bij comma, now the sum will be calculated and is equal to some space. After printing the first row, now the control goes to the new line. Control goes to the new line. Now I am executing this. M is 3, N is 3, 1, 2, 3, 34. What are the value? 4, 5, 6. Now we get the first matrix. For the second matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the addition of the two matrices. This is the program for addition of the two matrices. Next, multiplication of the two matrices. That A is equal to Aij, is an M by N matrix, and B is equal to Bij, is an P by P matrix. The matrix product C is equal to A into B is defined to be M by Q. Now, the compatibility condition of the matrix is the columns of the A must be equal to the rows of the matrix B, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise, multiplication matrix is not possible. This condition is a compatibility condition. The compatibility condition is if N is equal to Q, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. After multiplying the matrix, C is equal to A by P is M by Q matrix. Now this is the intermediate. Cij is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n aik bkj. This for loop where I is equal to 0 to m. First outer loop for the rows, m rows, for I in range m, for columns, for j in q. Now here the calculate the sum. Initially the sum is 0. Sum for k equal to 0 to n, that is k is equal to, for k equal to 0 to n means for k in range n. First step, read the matrix A. The second step, read the matrix B. Third step, multiply the matrix A and B using the code. The third step, print Cij. Now I am writing the program. First m is equal to int of input, enter m. Here m is the dimensions of the matrix A. N is equal to int of input, enter n. Now, these are the dimensions of A. Now, I want to enter the dimensions of the matrix B. P is equal to int of input, enter P. Next, Q is equal to int of input, enter Q. Enter Q. Q is equal to. Now the compatibility condition is if the number of columns in the matrix A is same as the number of rows in the matrix B, if n is equal to P, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. Else print matrix multiplication is not possible. Matrix multiplication is not possible. Is not possible. Here, if n is equal to P, false. I am executing this. M is equal to 2, 4, sum 3, 2. Observe here, the matrix multiplication not possible. Now here, n not is equal to 3. That is 4 not equal to 3. The multiplication not matrix multiplication not possible. Now I am writing this. First I am enter the matrix A. Print, enter matrix A. Matrix A. Now for this, first I am creating the empty list. For first row, for I in range, for I in range M, for I in range M. Now I am creating L is equal to some empty list for J in range, for J in range N, for J in range N. Now I want to enter the elements of the first matrix, Now that element is appended to A, L dot append of int of input, enter the first element. Next, after appending the L is appended to A dot append of L. The matrix A will be entered. Now I want to display the matrix. Print the matrix A is matrix capital A is, I want to display the matrix for I in range, M, for J in range, N. I want to print Aij, comma, and is equal to some space. After this, I am printing the new line. Print new line. Now first I am executing this. M 2 3 first dimension of the matrix. The matrix dimension of the matrix B 3 2. Matrix multiplication is possible. I want to enter a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Observe here, the matrix A will be entered. I am creating the matrix A and also display the matrix B. Similarly, I want to enter the matrix A and matrix B and display the matrix B. For this, I am copying this. Up to this, I am copying. Control C, Control V. Now, this will be copied here. Enter the matrix B. Now the dimensions here, I am creating empty list B. For the dimensions of the B, P by Q, P, Q, P by Q. Now I am printing the matrix B. Also the dimensions are P by Q. Now here I am displaying a matrix B. Here B dot L. Now I am executing this. Enter the dimensions of the first matrix 2 3. The dimensions of the second matrix 3 2. Matrix multiplication is possible. Now I want to enter the elements of the matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the elements of the matrix A. This is the 2 by 3. Now I want to enter the elements of the matrix B 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is the elements of the matrix B. This is 3 by 2. 3 rows, 2 columns. Now the next, I am creating the matrix C with a 0 element. For this, C is equal to empty list. C is the multiplication of the matrix. The dimensions of the multiplication, the dimensions of the matrix is M by Q. The dimensions of the matrix is M by Q. For I in range M, for I in range M, for J in range Q. I want to create the list L is equal to empty list. Now I am appending L with zeros. L dot append it zeros. Now I am append L dot append of L. Now I want to, for convenience, print C. Now I am executing this. Enter the dimensions 3 2 2 3 3 2. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is the C matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. The C matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Now I perform the matrix multiplication. Print matrix multiplication is matrix multiplication is, now I am performing the matrix multiplication for I in range M, for I in range M, for j in range, for j in range q. Next, for k in range n. Now I am calculating the multiplication. C I j is equal to C I j plus A I k star B K J. B K J. B K J. Now the multiplication of the two matrix will be performed here. Now I want to print C for I in range, for I in range M, for J in range, for J in range, for J in range Q, print Cij, comma, n is equal to some space. After this, print a new line. Print new line. Here, this print is not necessary. Now, I am executing this. Enter the dimensions of the first matrix 2, 3. The dimensions of second matrix 3, 2. Now, the matrix multiplication is possible. I want to enter the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the matrix A. Now the matrix B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the matrix multiplication is 22, 28, 49, 64. Now which is the program for matrix multiplication. Again I am executing. Enter 2, 3, 4, 5. The dimensions of the matrix A, 2, 3. The dimensions of the matrix B is 4, 5. Now here n not equal to p, the matrix multiplication not possible. Next, transpose of a matrix. The transpose of the matrix is the rows and columns will be interchanged. That is Aij is equal to Aji. This is called a transpose of the matrix. Now for this, first create the matrix A. Now in the matrix A, I want to interchange rows and columns. Interchange rows and columns. First I am enter the dimensions of the matrix A, assuming the dimensions of the matrix are m, n. M is equal to int of input, enter m. Enter m. Similarly, n is equal to int of input, enter n. Next, I want to enter the matrix A, print, enter matrix A. Print, enter matrix A. Now, initially A is empty. Now, for I in range M. Now, I am creating the empty list for J in range n, for J in range. Now L dot append L dot append input int of input input. Now after this a dot append of L. Now I am entered the element of the matrix A. Now I want to print matrix A, the matrix A for I in a range M, for J in a range N, print A I J comma and is equal to some space. After this print new line. Now I am executing 2, 4. 2 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now observe here the matrix A will be displayed, that is 2 rows, 4 columns. Now I am writing transpose of matrix, that is rows, columns and rows. I want to interchange rows into columns into rows. For this, for I in range N, I am interchanging M by N, N by M. For J in range M, I want to print AJI. Print AJI, comma, and is equal to some space. After this print new line. Now here displaying the message print transpose of A Now observe here, enter 2 rows, 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now observe here, this is the matrix A, 2 by 4. The transpose of A, 2 by 4. This is 4 by 2. And this is the program for transpose of the matrix A. Now this is the program for the transpose of the matrix A. Now I am going to stop here. Thank you.